So looking at this Sennheiser 450BT headphones, there are some buttons on the right side here, which is what we're going to be looking at today. So from the very top, you have this play and pause button. Assuming you're listening to music or you're watching a video on your mobile device, or be it a tablet or an Android or an iPad or an iPhone, if at a point in time someone distracts you or you want to pause it, you just need to press on this button once and it's going to stop or pause whatever you're watching. And next to it, like if you know your radio, old cassette radio tapes that you've been listening to, there's always like a button to skip forward and back. What's on your old DVD decks that people used to use in those days, back in the days. The same thing with this button plays that same function. So if you want to skip a track, like to go forward, you can skip. If you want to go to the previous track, you just need to press downwards and it takes you back to the previous track you're listening to. And directly next to that, you have your volume control. From here, if you press up, it increases the volume. If you want to decrease your volume, you press on this and it automatically decreases your volume. Next to that is your USB-C charging port. This headphone supports USB-C charging. So basically, if you want to charge these, I always recommend a 20 watts charging adapter, because that is good for the headphones and it makes it to charge even faster. And once these headphones are charged, the battery life for this is 32 hours listening time, or assuming you're taking calls, it could even last longer. But if you're listening to music or watching videos, it's 32 hours. Next to the USB-C charging port is your 3.5mm jack port. These headphones actually come along with a 3.5mm jack cable, a two-way cable. That is a 3.5mm jack male port which you can plug into this, and the other side is also a 3.5mm jack which you can plug into your device, assuming the device you are using also supports or has got a 3.5mm port. So if it doesn't have, it's not an issue, you can always pair up using your Bluetooth. Okay guys, so but if it has, sometimes if you see that you're running out of charge, you can just plug in the cable and then continue listening directly. So you can use this either as a Bluetooth device, or you can use them at the same time as a wired headphones. Next to that, we have the power button here. The power button has got two functions. It serves also as a Bluetooth activation button. So once you power this on and you press and hold for a while, it starts blinking, showing you also that it's about to pair up. You see, it powers on and at the same time it starts blinking, showing you that it's about to pair up. So if, assuming I wanted to pair this up now with my device, it's going to appear under Bluetooth devices, under discoverable devices. So once you see it there, you can just click on it and it automatically pair up. It's very easy. Okay guys, so that's basically the functions of these buttons that you can see here. And the good thing about this is, once it's paired up, assuming you want to listen to anything, once you power this on, it automatically activates the ANC function as well, which is your active noise cancellation. Okay, so whenever you're listening to something and you don't want to get the noise around you, it's good to always get something like this. The headphones are so amazing, and I'll keep on recommending this because I myself, I got these ones through someone else's recommendations and I've come to love them. They're so good. So guys, you should try them out as well. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you once again, and see you in my next video.